rock and roll or what? All right. My name is Sidney Guajardo, coming to you live from San Antonio, and we are the Trading Places. Let's get started here. All right, let me see. I'm going to just go over, have an international meeting here in about 15 minutes I gotta get ready for. And so I picked out some trades that we'll just go ahead and look up here. So if you want to write these down. Okay, so USD is going short, USD yen, dollar yen. We are right here. Okay, so do you see how this was acting like a resistance line? I really do believe that it's going to break this and go short. So let's take this off. Let's go back to the 60. Weird. Nope, right there. That line should be right there. It has plenty of room to run. Let's take it, let's verify where it was. So you got plenty of room here. Now just beware, this is the bottom down here. So just be very careful when you go past this 105, 295. I mean, it could bounce, it come right here, so just monitor it. But after the 105, 295, make sure that it breaks through, it doesn't go back up. So you may want to take it somewhere in this area, but once it breaks through, it should be okay. Let me see, so it's going to go short right there. What I'll do is I'll put a text message short after 105, 295. You should get a signal from, let me see, 0. You should get a signal from King Solomon. These are just clean charts. The King Solomon, I didn't open them up today. Let's go to Euro JPY. I also have this one short as well. Now you can see that it's got plenty of space to run short. It's been at the highest and it's just been kind of floating around here. So we know we have some room to run. Whoops. So let's go back to the 60-minute candle. So now we know where we're at. Okay, so we're right here. Where should we go? I want to say right here. God, this one's a tough one. It's hard to tell what direction. There's kind of not really a lot of agreement here. The reason why is this 120 just came off of this little spike. So I think bounced here, bounced here. This is a pretty good support and resistance line. Let's wait till it gets to, I'd say right about there. Pretty close. So what we're going to do, just keep an eye on it. Whoops, no, I don't want that. For sure I don't want that. I'll make this thing very straight. And I'll put text right here. Short after 125,680. Okay, so we're looking at these things, and it's my job to instruct you on how Forex works. So it could do this, or it could do this. You see how the difference is? It just kind of bounces and just kept going up. It was going down. I bet you somebody tried and do that, and then it came back over here and they tried to, take it short and it worked. But, why did it bounce here? So let's figure out why. Because there's support and resistance right there. Very, 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 that's it. It had to come back and get some of this money. So, yeah, so just be very careful when you get to that area. But that's still, 35 pips. Give me 1 second here. Okay. All right, let's take a look at Euro yen. Let's look at pound Swiss. Okay, I like to go pound Swiss long, and let's take it after here. Lower your lot size a little bit when you go on pound Swiss. If you're typically, I would go with half of what you normally use. This trade pair here really moves fast. So once it breaks this point here, you're probably going to want to take it long. Okay, I'll just pound Swiss long after 119,690. And you have a lot of room to run here. There's not a lot of, there's a lot of support and resistance here, so just be very careful. So just be on the lookout. This is probably going to come probably about 10 o'clock at night or so. It's at 19,636 now, so it's got about 5 or 6 pips to move. Let's go to the next one. Aussie dollar JPY. Okay. I like this one to go short. This is another one that you may want to take a reduced lot size. I think it's going to go down, but you see how the big long candle comes down? I mean, it just moves really erratic. This is kind of a hard one to call, but when this thing gets moving. So I like it here to go short. 76240. Okay. Let's go to CAD yen. Okay, so I like this one to go short as well. And I like it to go short right here. You see I have everything pre-marked already. I wish the charts came like that. Wouldn't that be nice? That would be worth 30 bucks a month. But it's not. So you gotta learn how to do it on your own. But you take it short, and I like CAD yen. Make sure you look at your announcements. I don't think there was any announcements today. But let me see. Short after 79,890. I learned how to spell session right. So just take a look at that one. I'm gonna put a star by that one since that's a pretty close one. One second. Okay. Okay, let's go to Swiss yen. I like Swiss yen to go short as well. Let's use this one right there. Short after 116,460. Okay, let's go to Euro JPY. I marked up these charts earlier today for you, so I like this one to go short as well. I was going to mark it, and I was going to put it on the Telegram channel, but I was driving. I should have just taken a picture of it, but what if someone can't read my writing, right? Okay, so it's short after 9005. Okay, let's go to New Zealand dollar. I like this one to go long. Okay, so let's go to Aussie dollar CAD. Australian dollar versus the Canadian dollar. I like that one to go long as well. That one's getting close too. Euro CAD's next. Okay. I like this one to go long. But just well, okay, if it goes long, just beware on this one. It may not happen tonight. It may happen in the morning. Depends on what volume's like. There's my reminder. It's 9 a.m. over there. Pound Swiss. I like this long as well. Oh, look, this one's getting kind of close. Yeah. I just did that one. 119,690. That must have when did I was either I'm really quick or I did that a little while ago. Okay, so training's very important, and it's not that I'm blowing you guys off for some kind of weird meeting. This is a meeting because I actually trade a very large, several $100 million live account in Australia, and there's a few traders, maybe 20 traders all over the world that make this fund a bunch of money. So if you'd like to invest in it, please reach out to me, one of my students, and also we can use Trading Places as a farmly kind of trader thing. Depends on how you do. You usually have to have about a 90% win ratio to qualify for them to consider you. They really like my indicators, these proprietary indicators. And but anyway, if you'd like to do that and you work a few hours a day, Monday through Thursday or whatever, and mainly super early in the morning, and you can have a very, very nice lifestyle. Excuse me. So if you'd like to do that, I could tell you how to do it. It's only exclusive to my students. So you can be part of that as well. And we can work hand in hand with people from India, Singapore, where else do we have? Australia. There's a few traders. There's only 3 traders in the U.S. But anyway, best in the world trading Forex right here. So anyway, those are the trades. They may or may not go that same direction. Just be careful before you take that trade. Anyway, so from Trading Places and Sidney Guajardo, we will see you tomorrow. Good luck in trading. Bye-bye.